the furnace here. There's a bit of a squeal. It's not that bad right now. It seems to come from the front up. This thing. Now it stopped. This seems to come from here, but the motor was replaced. No, it's not this motor. It seems to come from here. No, it spins down. The squealing spins down. Kind of weird. So what is it? This thing is fine. It was somewhere up here. Somewhere up here. This one is fine. So this one stopped and now the furnace is about to switch off. So it's that high-pitched thing. From now on it seems to be fine, but this thing cut out here, this fan or whatever that is, so I don't know. So when it switches on, it probably will do this again up here. It works fine here. Motor. Now it switches off, but that's what it always does. The second thing cuts in, second thing cuts out, whatever it is, and motor is fine, and that's it.